last exercise to check your grip strength or your systemic strength is the dead hang. I'm going to find a pull-up bar. I'm simply going to grab on. For a beginner, if you're unable to support your full body weight, you'll simply stand on a block, bend your knees, and let your body hang as you hold. Like every other exercise in our endurance series, the minimum hold for general fitness standards is 2 minutes. Athletic standard, 5 minutes. If that's easy for you, we simply remove the block and let your feet come all the way off the ground, and we simply hang, again, 2 to 5 minutes. If you're more advanced and that's easy for you, from there, we're simply gonna hold on with one arm, release the other arm, and let your body hang. These, generally we work 30 seconds to 60 seconds. Anytime you need, make sure you switch to the other side. We wanna make sure that we don't have asymmetries in our body. That is why we do both sides.